Okay, good Thursday afternoon, everybody. We have Thursday to finish working. They work Friday, and Saturday is our Christmas party, the last day of work. I think the guys are taking half day off, maybe a full day. And our Christmas party, then we'll be back to work after the first of the year. I usually take a walk around before I start my vlog, but today I'm gonna go ahead and go for it. It's getting nicely cleaned up. Had to buy a new battery for the bongo. In our bunkhouses, we'll have guards here during the, as usual, we'll have guards here during the Christmas break especially, but we'll have guards here typically since the day we started work here. House is looking pretty good. We've got our waterproofing. This is a dark color. Kind of makes me want to start thinking about exterior colors here. Maybe I want to go with a light color like this, with a dark accent color, gray or black. Let's see, I'll take you around to the front and the other side as well. My plan is this middle section here. I was going to put a wood siding. They call it cladding here, similar to the photo. Not exactly certain yet what I want to do. I understand that, well, they got a red curtain, it looks like in our window here, which is behind the stage for the Christmas party. My wife's been very busy planning this. Fortunately, the guys are excited and ready and willing to help. So our furring, so our septic tank is done, and our cistern is done. The waterproofing on the overhangs and the eaves and the roof deck is all done. I see our water line is in. Not sure how this is going to work. I'll have to get updated by the plumber on this, but you can see the lid. Oh, they filled it up even. This holds 5,000 liters. That's what this holds. I don't know what that is in gallons. Bunch. Well, let's just go around the back here. I think in the mechanical room we've got a little bit of our water. No, I guess not. Electrician's working. I was going to say I think we have some of our filters here, but not sure. He sent me a picture of it. We're going to have, here's the inside of one of the fuse panels. We're going to have one. Good afternoon. We're going to have solar with batteries. We should be on that. Most solar will charge the batteries. The batteries should last throughout the day and most, if not all, of the night. I think it's going to depend upon how much electricity from the air conditioning we're using. I'm also going to put in, I just decided, a backup generator. So worst case scenario, if we typically if we run out of battery in the night, it'll kick over automatically to the electric grid. Now I'm going to put in a generator with a manual switch. And worst case scenarios, if for some reason maybe a typhoon damages all of our solar panels, and Mocktown Electric is who they are here, MECO they call it, is damaged and they're having brownouts, systems out, and I don't have any solar to charge my batteries, I will have a generator. So we'll at least have power to keep the house cool, keep some of the appliances running, especially the refrigerator. Anyway, that's now. And yeah, they're working on Christmas decorations. Good afternoon. And there's Frosty. Some balloons. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh. Some presents. Oh, Santa Claus and a sleigh. Where any of that stuff came from. My wife's been busy. And here's some real work, electrical. Bought some dimmer switches. And I forgot to check the bathroom, or what's commonly referred to as a CR. Here. Compact's down pretty good. If I want to be cheap, I could actually just keep that as our finished product until later. See what our CR looks like. Oh, it's locked. Anybody know how to get in here? Is it working? The toilet? Good afternoon. And does it work, Nelly?
Yeah.
Have you tried it? Yeah? Okay. It's got a light. I don't know what that goes to, but okay. Yeah, this compacted down real well. Yeah, this middle lot here, there's 3 lots. This is lot 4, 3, and 2. This middle section is supposed to be our garden, our yard. Eventually, if everything goes per plan, we'll build a second house here in this lot number 2, and then eventually we'll build a third house on lot number 3, where this yard is planned to be. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all these large 4-inch rocks that we've been using to walk on and keep our site from getting muddy. Anyway, it's worked out real well. Well, let's go upstairs and see what's going on up here. So this is going to be. This will work nice. We're going to slide this across to keep people from coming upstairs during the party, especially kids. I don't mind adults coming up, but I do want to escort them and see how they got this up as a wall to keep people from going off the edge. Makes me nervous. That's nice. It's nice to see. They got this cleaned up pretty good. Here's our metal furring. And they got this cleaned up good in here. I can zoom out. See if you can see better. So again, if you're new here, this is the her side toilet, half wall sink. It's going to be a shower, full length all the wall. We'll separate the his side toilet sink, common shower with a door on each side. And then this is the walk-in closet. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm liking that. Yeah, it's picked up real well in here. Good afternoon. Looks nice, everybody. Good afternoon. And finally, this level. Not very safe up here, but not much we can do. Well, okay. Thanks for joining us. This might be the last one till next year. Maybe I might post if I have time on my hands, which I should during the Christmas break. Maybe I'll post a recap from start to finish again. We'll see how that goes. I'm just, new at this. I'm not really a film editor, that's for sure. Just kind of faking it till you make it. Fake it till you make it. So, Merry Christmas to everybody, and have a great New Year. I wanted to show the walls. They've got these skim coated and primed again. These ones that we had a little setback with. You can see it turned out real good again. I'm not sure, they're not quite done with that one. There was quite a bit of it in here. Yeah, they got a few spots still. But what they did was they re-skim coated it, re-primed it. We've been at this in September of 23, so that's 15 months, I believe. September, October, November, December, yeah, 15 months. And I don't know, hopefully by March 1st. That's just another number I'm throwing out there. It's as good as any of the other guesses. I'll post a few pictures of the party as well. So I'll probably post some video of that. Anyway, everybody, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and have a happy New Year too. Feliz Navidad. And Mele Kalikimaka. Okay, I'll explain what I've learned about this cistern. It's full. Took 3.5 hours to fill that with 5,000 liters of water. And they're going to check it, make sure that it's not leaking. This is the shut-off for the main. Goes directly in there. This goes directly to the pump, and I think what you can do is you can shut this off and then turn this on, and the water will go directly to the pump, and that'll prime it and get it to work, because the pump is over there, way over there in the mechanical room. That's kind of my story, and I'm sticking to it for now.
Sus, natin kay talent the egg. kuan Wilfredo. This is Alfredo's idea for the
Looks nice.
Pwede ka magkuan. Bago sa tawag ana. Pag negosyo mo duhang dito magkuan. Kanang
This is a Philippine ladder. OSHA approved.